Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Today's video is a come shop with me around B&M. So I will jump straight into the video and show you everything that they've got in store at the moment. So I'm going to start off in my favourite aisle, which is all the home decor. There is so much of this gorgeous blush pink colour, loads of whites and blush pinks at the moment. I feel like everyone's moving away from the silver trend that was just everywhere. I feel like I want to replace everything in my house now with like blush pinks and whites, and it just makes it all feel really fresh. They've also got so many bargains at the moment. I've said this a few times about B&M. They will reduce things, they will put loads of things half price, so it is worth looking because they're just like dotted around all the aisles, and they just put them in with all the other full priced items, so it's worth having a look to see what good bargains you can get. Those are the doorknobs that I bought last time, which I showed in my B&M haul. I showed them on my TV console table. Those lamps are gorgeous. I think the stand on them is really different. See, these things are like £1.50, all reduced, so yeah, it's really worth having a good detailed look at everything because they just are really good for that, for if they're changing stock, to put them in the sale. And it's some really gorgeous things as well. I absolutely love those cushions, but white never stays white, does it? Especially when you've got kids. This is a bit different. I guess you just hang it on the wall. Loads of this like botanical range. I love a jute rug as well, and again reduced to £18. Some things are half price, some things have just got a few pounds off, so it all varies, but there is loads and loads of stuff that they're obviously reducing. Gorgeous pampas grass in the vase there, I like that. I'm not too keen on these vases, but I guess styled up they could look really nice. I'm not sure about the shape of that stool, this like sort of honey pot, sort of Winnie the Pooh honey pot, that's what it makes me think of, don't know straight away. How nice are these as well for hanging in a little girl's bedroom with little paper pom-poms. Yeah, again, more reduced items. Gorgeous things for the bathroom as well. That canvas is just £2.50. How inexpensive. I absolutely love some of these things. I love the stacked up whales and these lanterns as well. There's also some more here that I think are really, really nice. And those little coral ornaments that can go in the bathroom as well are really cute. That canvas, again, reduced loads and loads of things. I don't even think some of it's been in that long, so I'm surprised that they've reduced so much stuff, because some of it I think I've not seen that and it's already like half price. Nice baskets as well, again reduced to £4 for that one there, that stripy one. How nice is all this sort of blue nautical themed stuff for the bathroom? You could have some towels rolled up in one of those baskets, or your toilet rolls. Then there's like some Moroccan-y sort of style decor. I don't know what you would actually call it, but yeah, lots of elephants, lots of terracotta colours, very Mediterranean, maybe that's the word I'm looking for. Some of these candles are so nice as well, like little tea light holders. That hanging is only £6. That look really nice in a child's bedroom. The artificial trees actually look quite real. I'm quite impressed with them. Again, more reduced items, lots of coppers and mustards and blues. Always really impressed with B&M's artificial plants and flowers, although I was a little bit not impressed with the lemon plant that you can see there. I just don't think they look very real at all. Maybe from a distance, I don't know. I'm not dead keen on that. They were very plasticky. I love an artificial plant. These are really nice as well. I mean, I love real plants as well, but I do think it makes a big difference having a few of them dotted around the house, the flowers and things. I mean, if you've seen my house, you know that I have got many artificial flowers, most of which are from B&M, to be honest. As much storage as you could want. There is so many different baskets, all really inexpensive. They also always have loads of nice little stools as well, some of which are storage ones, and wall clocks. Everything's always really inexpensive and nice and easy to hang as well, because they're just like, you know, they're not heavy duty ones. Storage trunks, I keep my towels in one of these. I keep kids' toys in some as well. Always come in handy. Also doubles as like a little seat as well. There's absolutely loads of gorgeous acrylic makeup organisation. I actually really wish that I had a dressing table again now, so that I could have all my makeup on show, and use all of those gorgeous acrylic compartments. And then some bathroom storage accessories. I didn't spot anything particularly new here, things that have been in for quite a while, but they do always have a really nice selection of things. Always looks more expensive than it is. I've said this before, it's like a lot of stuff that you could get from Next, but for obviously much cheaper. And then I just spotted a couple more lanterns. I do love lanterns out in the garden. These gold ones are really pretty. Moving on to the soft furnishings, I love me a throw. I have so many, but yeah, there is always great choices, isn't there, in B&M? Loads of different colours. I really like this stripy one. I think that's really nice. Isn't it funny how you can just be drawn to certain things like throws or like candlesticks? These are some of mine. But yeah, isn't it mad how you can just absolutely find so much joy from having these things around the house? Because I do anyway. I am always such a fan of B&M's bedding. They have such a vast range, like every colour depending on your bedroom decor, just every kind that you could want. Always so reasonably priced as well. These are really good. These are like reversible ones, so it's a bed cover that you can obviously change up, which I think is really nice. So they've got loads of different colours of those with different patterns. So yeah, if you fancy a change, which I do very often, then obviously you can flip the covers over and it's like having two different ones. So I love that. Love this throw as well, and it's reduced to £15. It's such a bargain because it's huge. More items in the sale. That's so pretty. I love all these textured ones, all the different tuft bits on, and this sheer sucker ones. They've also got loads of this eco bedding that is in the sale. Then on to more soft furnishings down the rugs and cushions aisle. I think pretty much all of my cushions, or there's a few from Home Bargains, but pretty much all of mine are from B&M. Love these waffle cushions, really gorgeous colour. Loads of reduced rugs as well. I reckon though that one would be really difficult to keep clean, that wall one. How nice are these as well? Love the pattern on that. Very tempted to get a few more cushions. £12 for those. Oh, £10 for those even. Then just down to the mirrors. I feel like they haven't had this mirror in that long at all, but it's already in the sale. I love that arched mirror. I think that could look gorgeous with a couple of those in a hallway. Then moving on to things for the kitchen. This eco range is really cool, like the sponges and things that you can get, all good for the environment, because things like those sponges there are compostable, so that's really good. Also, these are always nice to have as well, like the little labels that you can put on all your jars, so if you're getting all your storage organised, they come in really handy. If I see anything with a sausage dog, I am automatically drawn to it because I have a little sausage dog, so I absolutely love these little bamboo tubs. You get 2 there for £4, and then the round one, which would be good for like soup and things like that. I didn't get any because I have enough, but I think it'd be really cute to put those in the boys' lunch boxes. I think they would love that. I love, I've said it many times, a serving board. These wooden platters are so good for if you're doing like a meze sort of meal, having picky bits all out on one of these. They're just my favourite thing ever, and I've got so many of them. These are so cute, these little ones. They're just nice to have on display as well, I think. Also, always love this range that they do. I've got some of these stackable black storage wire baskets. They have got like my fruit in, or I'll put pastries in. Loads of fridge storage as well. I may invest in some of these actually and put them in my big like larder cupboard and get everything in clear containers. I feel like it's much more organised in the clear plastic containers. I feel like I can see exactly what I've got when I put things in them. More sausage dogs. I'm automatically, as soon as I spot one, and they're on everything, aren't they, at the moment? I feel like I see sausage dogs on so much different homeware anyway lately. I love this range, this black and white like Aztec sort of style. I think it's really, really pretty. They've got absolutely loads of that, and all of this with the bamboo lids. It's just really nice and fresh. I think it just would make your kitchen feel really like clean and organised. On to some things for the garden. Their range of garden furniture at the moment is so good. Can you remember that year when everybody struggled to get garden furniture? It's probably, well, it was COVID time when everybody was using their gardens more. And I remember looking absolutely everywhere for an L-shaped sofa and really struggling. But look at these, how gorgeous are these? And that one at the bottom is only £250. I think that's really good for a L-shaped sofa and the little table that it comes with. They've just got loads of nice ones. I love that little bistro set there. Also, they've got the lazy spas in there as well. I've heard such mixed reviews about those. Some people have told me that they're rubbish. So yeah, I never know whether they're worth it or not. How nice is this? I thought this is such a good gift idea. It's only £45. This cute little wooden mud kitchen for little ones. If mine were smaller, I think they would have loved that. Then on to just some things that would be so nice for barbecues and picnics. We've got more serving platters. They've got absolutely loads of these in there. These bowls are so cute, and they've got all different colours in them as well. Some more jute rugs with like funky coloured tassels on there. They do the best range of things for the garden, in my opinion. Far better than Home Bargains. I feel like B&M just does, like, you can kit your whole garden out with all of this stuff and have it decorated so nice, because they just do everything. These are cute little planter labels. Also love these little bamboo bowls. How nice for if you're sitting out in the garden, you're bringing out a couple of snacks, a couple of bowls of crisps if you've got people around. Yeah, I think they're really nice. I've got one of those big drinks dispensers. I need to get that back out. The boys absolutely love it. more serving boards. That's matching the bowl as well, so there's like a nice range of all of that, so you can have it all matching, including those. £5 for 2 of the placemats. Here is some of the wisteria, the fake wisteria that you can get. The only thing that would put me off those, I would love to have a load of that all on my pergola, but I would be put off it fading, because you just don't know, do you? This barbecue pizza oven, I love that. I think that would get a lot of use in my house. Loads of nice little picnic things, great for the kids. Well, I mean, I thought they were ice cream glasses, but I think they're supposed to be cocktail glasses, but they would be used for ice cream for my boys in this house. These are nice too. It'll be like having a barbecue and you can bring all your cutlery and everything outside and your condiments. I just spotted this. I thought this would be quite a fun gift for kids or for grown-ups. Slush puppy maker, and then you can get all the different things to go with it. So the syrups. Also, there's a great selection of fans, which, well, it's gone colder again now, but when it was warm, this is an essential, isn't it? I just filmed a little bit of the furniture, but to be honest, I didn't notice that much any different from what is normally there. But I do really like it for getting like, if you're looking for certain like bathroom storage or just like shelves. This is quite nice. I thought this would be good for in the boys' room actually. Some drawers, because you can never have enough storage, and the bigger my boys get, the more I seem to need. This is so nice. I remember really wanting one of these. I don't need it now that I've done the pergola, but the gazebos that they have in B&M are always really reasonably priced. It's just whether you can anchor them down enough so that they don't blow away when it's windy, because I did have one once. I think I went away for the weekend and then in the wind it just completely snapped to pieces when it was slightly windy. So that's the only thing, isn't it? You have to make sure that you either anchor them down massively or that you take them down when the weather's going to be bad. I always have to film the snacks just a little bit. Anything I spotted that I don't always see. The mini B&Ms, good for packed lunches. These are so nice, these chocolate Lotus Biscoff biscuits. If you haven't tried them, I would absolutely recommend them. Also, just some more things for the kids for in the garden. They've got so many different paddling pools. That one's cool. It's got like 2 layers with a little slide, little rainbow ones. It's good that they've got so much choice. And then it, you know, obviously depending on the size of your garden, how cool is that as well? My boys love all this stuff. We did have one of those snakes actually. Archie had one, but I think Rudy, and Archie loved it. It was really good, like a sprinkler snake, but Rudy bit a hole in it. Because I don't know whether he was threatened by it. It was this big snake in the garden, but yeah, he probably thought he did a great job. Like, look, Mum, I've got the snake, but yeah, he bit a big hole in it. So it didn't last very long, but it was fun for that short period of time. Bubble machines are always really fun as well for the garden, for the kids. If you're buying like for birthdays at the moment, for little ones, for the summertime, I think they're really fun to have for the kids to play with in the garden. The kids just love bubbles, don't they? Archie still loves bubbles. He's 6 and he's just like, still loves a bubble wand, bubble machine. They have got some suitcases in there as well, so if you're going on holiday, there are a lot of like lightweight ones by the looks of it. They've got quite a good range in there. You can even buy trampolines from B&M. I didn't think that was a thing that they used to sell, but yeah, get yourself a trampoline as well. It's mad, isn't it? You can literally come out with everything from B&M. There's nothing they don't sell. But that is pretty much everything in the store. I've tried to include a bit of everything. So yeah, I hope that you enjoyed it. I would love it if you gave it a big thumbs up if you did, and I would also really appreciate it if you hit the subscribe button so that you can come back and watch more of my videos. Take care everyone. Bye.